welcome to the Lodox. Through this video, I will tell you that what is MSME registration and what are the benefit associated with the MSME registration and what are the documentation requirement to get registered MSME your entity under MSME registration and what is the procedure to obtain MSME registration certificate provided by the Government of India. Basically, MSME registration is an entry into the register of Government of India. It is very useful to register your entity under MSME registration. It is also called Udyam Aadhar registration. It is required to promote the growth of your micro, small and medium enterprises. The Government of India gives various concession and tax benefit and extend other financial assistance exclusively to the units or enterprises which qualifies to be micro, small and medium enterprises. So let's start. In a detailed version, I will tell you what are the benefits and what is the procedure and what are the documentation part to get registered your entity as MSME. So let's start. The Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006 makes it mandatory for MSME to register themselves with government and to obtain Udyog Aadhar for availing benefits provided under MSME Development Act. The terminology like MSME, SSI or Udyog Aadhar is one and same thing. There is no difference between them. If you need to avail the benefits of the MSME, you will have to opt for MSME registration. When you register your firm with Udyog Aadhar, the business can leverage many schemes initiated by state and central government. In addition to this, for availing the MSME Act 2006 benefits in the banking sector, MSME registration becomes mandatory. There are no government fee for the MSME registration. Only you have to pay some professional fees. The MSME registration is free from all other cost. MSME registration is a mandatory registration to avail all the benefits of the government schemes. The registration process is very simple. There is no government fees for registration process. So register your entity and build the foundation to get taxation benefit and other financial assistance provided by the Government of India under this scheme. So these are the benefits. You refrain from asking the security deposit when you registered under the MSME registration. There are concessions in the electricity bill, increased chances of winning government tenders. There are reduction in fees for filing patents and trademark registration to get protection under the rights of intellectual properties for your business, for your brands. Easy and cheaper bank loans. There are reservation benefit, stamp duty and registration charges are waived off. There are reimbursement under the barcode registration. Industrial promotion subsidy are available. When you get registered under the MSME registration, there are authentic proof of your organization. There are various subsidiary matters and subsidiary scheme or benefits provided by the Government of India or other state government under this scheme when you get registered under the MSME scheme or MSME registration process. Any kind of financial assistance by government agencies shall be provided only when you get registered under the MSME Act. So now what is the procedure? At first, you have to pay the professional fees. There are no requirement to pay any governmental fees. Only you have to provide some professional fees who process your application to get registered under MSME Act. You have to share documents of your entity, whether it is a company or one-person company or LLP. Then you have to share certificate of incorporation. Other than this, you have to, if it is partnership firm or a proprietorship firm, you have to share partnership firm deed or related documents with the proprietorship firm. Then you have to prepare MSME application if you are applying on your behalf, or if you authorize Lodox to apply for MSME certificate on behalf of your entity, then you have to provide some additional information. Lodox facilitated the service of MSME registration on behalf of you. After filing of MSME application, the application approval and the certificate shall be issued by the Government of India on the registered email ID of the entity. So this is the procedure. Now the next part is what are the documentation requirement for the registration. There shall be requirement of business address proof, copies of sale bill and purchase bill shall be required, partnership deed in case of partnership firm, copy of license and bill of machinery purchase. If you have recently purchased any kind of machinery for your entity or for your business, if there are any entity, whether it is private limited company, OPC or LLP, then you have to provide a certificate of incorporation. For firms that are listed in Schedule 3rd of the Industrial Licensing Exemption Notification, no industrial license is needed. Every other enterprise must obtain it for the PRC. Provisional PRC stands for Provisional Registration Certificate Application. For the registration and document process, all statutory and administrative clearance need to be obtained, such as NOC from Pollution Board, to prove that no restrictions are being violated. Some of the MSME schemes offered by the government: Udyog Aadhar memorandum provided by the government, zero defect, zero effect system, quality management standard and quality technology tools, a system for monitoring and grievances. So why you should choose Lodox? Because we have the complete legal formalities with perfection. We have an expert team. We can help you in multiple ways. We have a 24/7 assistant to you and for your entity to get registered under MSME Act. We have legal expert with the business acumen. We know how to get it done in a time bound manner. So you may opt for expert assistant by WhatsApp us. If you have some specific query, you may fill this inquiry form and you may apply for the inquiry. So these are the relevant information related with the MSME registration. Thank you.